Hey, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to buy Ethereum or Bitcoin for newbies on the Gemini exchange. Hi, welcome to the Geek Investor, your resource for crypto trading. You can actually quickly just sign up for free at the link here, or you can find the link description below. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice, and I got actually a small commission when you register to support this channel. And also a reminder, only invest what you can afford to lose. That's the rule of thumb. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So what you're seeing right now is the Gemini exchange website. So if you're very new, why I recommend Gemini is basically Gemini has been around for many years and they actually have an office in Singapore. And I would say it's one of the safest exchange out there currently if you're interested to put and buy or sell Bitcoin in Ethereum. Some benefits of Gemini, and also to understand before investing anything, you need to first understand the risk that's involved, which I'm going to share with you transparently. And I'm not earning anything for, I'm just earning a miserable commission from, but I just like to share my experience and hope it will help you to invest wisely in Bitcoin or whatever coin that you're thinking of buying. So this exchange is unique because number one, it's very reliable. Number two, they have very good interest. And number three, you can withdraw and deposit Singapore dollars directly into this exchange, which not all exchanges do support. All right. In the past, I used to use Binance, but Binance now is not allowed in Singapore. So many of us are using Gemini now to basically withdraw and deposit our Sing dollars to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. All right, or many other things. In case you're wondering how dangerous it is to invest in Bitcoin, many of my friends ask me, so Alvin, how safe? All right, the question is how safe, all right, is this? All right, what are the risks? All right, so I'm going to be very transparent. All right, okay, what are the risks? The risk is very simple. All right, if all right the website just suddenly disappears for no reason, all right, your money is gone. All right. Does that happen to small exchanges? Yes, it does. But as I say, Gemini has been here for a long time, and it's not a small company. It's a very big company, so you don't have to worry so much. Some people think that DBS is very safe, for example, right? But let me show you an article. This is an article that shows here that hackers managed to make 500K in fake credit card payments on DBS. All right, so there's no such thing as safe. Every bank out there or every exchange out there there's some form of risk. So if you're not a high risk taker that's why I always say that when you invest in crypto, only invest what you can afford to lose, so you won't feel so painful when you lose them. All right, so just want to let you know there's the risk. The only risk is that basically if the website is gone, your money is gone, or when all right Bitcoin or Ethereum all right price goes down by a lot, you lose less. Okay, so I'm going to show you all these things. I'm going to be very transparent with you because you're very new and that's why you're watching this video. And I want to go through some of the fundamentals also. And also, why are people keen in crypto? All right, the reason why a lot of people are interested in crypto now because the interest rate is very high. As what you can see, I'm now inside the Gemini exchange. You can see there's a DAI here, DAI coin. DAI is a crypto exchange. There's a Terra USD. These two coins are what we call stable coins. All right, stable coins. What are stable coins? Means they are tagged to the USD dollar. So 1 USD equal to 1 DAI. All right, so this is very good because why? The price will not go up and down like crazy every day like what you see on Bitcoin. Okay, so there's one benefit of stable coins, the price of it, and the interest is very high. You see it's 7.99% per year. All right, so if you take the calculator, all right, if you take 7.99, you divide by 365, you will get 0.02 percent per day. All right, that's per day. If I'm not wrong, this is the rate that DBS give per year. Okay, so I don't know about you, but this is definitely better interest rate. So 0.02. So let's say if you put $1,000, I'm not asking you to put $1,000, but if you put $1,000, all right, how much interest will you get? All right, you get about maybe 20 cents per day, and then 1 year you get about $73 a year. All right, not a lot of income, but definitely higher than the bank. Okay, but I'm not asking you to put $1,000. I just give you as an example. As I say, only put in what you can afford to lose. In fact, I don't actually do this. I actually do something else, but I won't recommend that because it's higher risk. But just sharing you why people are moving their money to crypto exchanges. Okay, so in case you're wondering where does Gemini exist, all right, so you can see that Gemini is a Singapore branch company. All right, they have a registrar here. They are located in Shenton Way. I'm not by the way, I don't represent Gemini. They never pay me money to say this. Okay, so I'm just sharing what I use personally. And before I use anything, I always do my research, make sure it's safe before I recommend it to my own friends to actually invest. All right, so because I got many friends ask me, Alvin, where do I buy Bitcoin? Where do I buy this? So I will tell them use this one. This is the safest one out there. Okay, then the owner of Gemini is by this guy. All right, so it's a real person. He has been there for like 7 years. All right, since 2014. So it has been around for many years. Okay, and then in case you don't know what is even Bitcoin, Bitcoin is actually a digital currency, basically just a digital asset and nothing else. Okay, what's the danger of Bitcoin? You need to understand. All right, before you dive right in or putting all your life saving, please, first rule is never, all right, never, never, ever put your entire life savings into crypto. All right, because it's very, very dangerous. All right, how dangerous? All right, for example, let's say if you put you buy your Bitcoin maybe around let's say at this price, okay, 63,000. All right, this was in April 13 April 2021. Okay, and then just a few months later it dropped all the way to 30,000, as you can see from the line that I draw over here. So the price dropped from 63,000, all right, to 30,000. All right, that's almost a 50%. All right, 50% drop, about 50% drop within how long? Let me see, April to July, April, May, June, July. Okay, April, May, June, July, about 4 months. All right, that's only 4 months. Okay, 4 months. All right, it dropped by 50%. So that's how dangerous crypto is. It can drop very fast. It can also go up very fast as well. Okay, there are strategies to that, but this video is not about that. This is basically a basic video to tell you the dangers of crypto and why you cannot put so much. So as a guideline, what I always tell people, let's say if you have $1,000 of savings in your bank account, I'm talking about Sing dollar or USD, whatever, only use 10% of what you have. All right, so that in case, that means 10% is $100 lah. Okay, so why I recommend this, because at least if you lose $100, it won't be so painful, and you're very new, you don't know what you're doing. All right, so don't put in everything. All right, the most painful thing you could ever experience is to lose all your savings, which you don't want to experience that. Okay, so be wise and also don't be too greedy. Okay, put in only what you can afford to lose. All right, that's the rule. Okay, and that's what I practice myself. I don't put in too much also. I don't put in a lot, in fact, so don't be greedy. So just to let you know, all right, Bitcoin does go up and down, pretty scary, and this is in the daily chart. If I switch this to a 5-minute chart, all right, you can see the price go ups and down. Okay, let's say I do this is within a day, roughly within a day. So from here it went up 9%. So you can see roughly within about 1 day, the price of Bitcoin can go up by 10%. All right, so 1 day can go up, up 10%. All right, but it can also go down too. All right, go down 10% too. All right, and that is very normal. All right, in crypto. All right, very, very normal. So the key thing is you need to know when to enter and when to exit. All right, there are strategies out there that tell you or teach you, all right, how to, but this video is not about that. All right, so imagine if you bought here, you literally lost, all right, 10% of your income, all right, in just a few days. Okay, and this happens almost every single day. Okay, so that's the risk involved for crypto. But if you're very afraid, you don't want to experience all this, you can go for stable coins. Ethereum is the same problem. All right, this is the Ethereum chart that you're seeing. So Ethereum the same thing. All right, you will notice this one you will lose even more, 13%. All right, if I open up, let's say DAI, all right, DAI, all right, DAI USD. Okay, so DAI is a stable coin. All right, it will always remain at a dollar. You can see here a dollar. Sometimes go up a bit, downward. It's a bit like forex. All right, so you go down like up a bit by less than 0.001%. All right, so there are safe assets out there as well. So this is how DAI looks like. It's a dollar. So this is backed by the USD dollars. So what you can do is basically, you want to play safe, you use DAI. All right. So without saying so much, I already said so much about all these things. How do you sign up? Okay. So now that I tell you the basic thing that you need to know before you actually buy. So now you're convinced and you're ready to go. You want to go to this link. This is my referral link. Take note, I do get a small commission, only $10, not much, but it helps support what I do. And I'm doing this because many friends ask me, how to buy Bitcoin. So I'm creating this video for them and also for you to show you how to buy it safely and not to overbuy. Okay. So this is my link. You can find the link below, the description below as well. And once you go there, you will see this page. All right. So when you see this page, what do you do? Okay. So it says here you will receive $10 of Bitcoin. All right. After you buy or sell your first $100. So you do get $10, and I also get $10 when you buy or sell Bitcoin. All right. So that's my commission. All right. Not a lot, but anyway, that's not the point. The point is just share you basically how to use. All right. So click get started. Okay, and then just fill in your information, put in your real name, last name, your email address, password, and this is my promo code. Do not change that. Okay, then click this and click next. All right, once sign up is pretty straightforward. So why do you want to use Gemini? You can start with as little as $5. It's available in many countries. You can buy up to 45 different assets that you can find on the exchange. Okay. So something to take note, after you sign up the form, right? To please use a secure password, all right, and also use 2FA for all your logins. Okay, because these are very important. You can get hacked in crypto, same like how you get hacked in banking as well. So everything use a secure password and use 2FA. All right, and in case you forget, write it on a piece of paper if you forget. Okay, so I don't use Gemini myself personally, but I only use it mainly to move money. So I use it for moving money. Okay, so that's why you only see $85 there. That's my money. Okay, so my main bulk of money is not here, somewhere else. Okay, so basically what happened here, you can actually, first thing you want to do is to transfer money in. All right, so you're going to click on transfer and click deposit Gemini. Okay, what you're going to do here is to select Sing dollars or whatever currency that you are from. Okay, mine is Sing dollars. All right, so you click continue. All right, then after that, they'll ask you to the bank information over here. All right, so when you transfer, you just only do this transfer to the bank account information that's shown here. All right, and the funds will go into your Gemini account. All right, once it's successful, it will show below in the history. All right, normally your deposit will happen within maybe 1 minute to about 6 minutes or 10 minutes. So don't worry, it takes some time. My suggestion is do a small transfer first. Sorry. All right, do a small transfer first. All right, so do a small transfer. So let's say, for example, $10, all right, to try. All right, so that you understand how the whole thing works and see the money go through. Once you're confident, okay, then you transfer more. All right, how much you transfer, it depends on your threshold, how much you're willing and how much you want to buy. All right, so my suggestion is always do small first so that you understand how it works. Then after that, you transfer the rest. All right, there is no fees to transfer the Sing dollar in. Okay, so thank God for that. All right, so once you have done that, all right, you would see that in your balance account. All right, you can click on balance. Okay, so you'll see your balance will be $100. You transfer $100 over there. So once the $100 is there, you will see the money there. All right, then you'll see $100 here. Now it's $1 because I bought Bitcoin. I got $72 Bitcoin there. So let's say if you want to buy BTC or Ethereum, all right, so you click on the let me see, Ethereum. All right, so you can click here and then click on once. So let's say you want to buy $50 worth of Ethereum. All right, just click on the amount. All right, and then click continue. So you'll see a few payment methods. You can use the balance that you transfer in successfully, the $100 if you have, or you can use a debit card to actually buy the Bitcoin or whatever asset. But I don't recommend that way because what happens is you use the cards to buy, they will charge you a higher exchange rate compared to the bank. So you don't want that. Okay, so you prefer to transfer from your bank account into the exchange. Then after that, you'll be able to purchase your Ethereum or Bitcoin directly without paying much exchange fees. So once you select the balance, you buy successfully, then the Bitcoin will go into your wallet, and that's about it. That's how simple it is to actually buy and sell. And if you want to sell, it's the same thing. So instead of clicking buy, you just click sell. All right, you can sell. Let's say I want to sell my Ethereum. I just select all. All right, how many Ethereum you want to sell? So I have this amount. So let's put that. So it's worth $3. All right, review. All right, so it's below. Content is below the market minimum. Okay, so there's a minimum order. Okay, let me try my Bitcoin instead. All right, because I got some Bitcoin there. All right, so if I want to sell, all right, so I just click sell. All right, then you can review. All right, take note there's a fee. All right, one thing bad about Gemini is their fees for selling and buying is quite high, at $4, sometimes $3. It's quite high, all right, compared to other places. There are cheaper ways to buy and sell, but I just want to make this quick video to show you how easily. So once you click confirm, you actually sell the BT. So I'm not going to click confirm because I don't want to sell. Okay, so this is one way to buy and sell within Gemini. The other cheaper way to do it is this way. What you do is on the top right, click on account, then click on settings. All right, then you scroll down to this trading interface. Click on this one, advanced, active trader, advanced. Once you've done that, click on back to Gemini Exchange. You'll notice something will change. It will go to a more advanced trader interface that looks like this, a bit more complicated, but you don't have to pay the $4 fee. Okay, so you click on Sing dollars. You can only buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin or want to sell. All right, so you can choose market order or limit order. If you are really very new, don't know what to do, you can click market order to make things simple. So you don't have to care whether about all these things here. You just click market order, you will choose the closest best price. If you're slightly more advanced, you can click limit order and then choose the price that you want to buy and sell. All right, if you don't want to care too much, you just want to make it simple, let's click market. Okay, so you can choose how much you want to buy and how much you want to sell. So let's say, for example, now I have $77 of Bitcoin, so I click 100%. All right, you notice on this bottom corner here, instead of $4 now, it only costs 27 cents. All right, Sing. All right, to sell my Bitcoin. Previously, just now you saw it was $4, right? Because you're actually selling directly to Gemini, and Gemini charge a fee of $4. Whereas here, you're actually selling to real people on the exchange, all right, people who are willing to sell their Bitcoin. So they charge a lower fee, a trading fee of only 27 cents to 50 cents. So that's why I say the $4 very expensive. Okay, so same thing, you want to buy or sell, you just need to click on this button, buy or sell. I can't buy now because I got no money inside, but I can sell, but I'm not going to do that. Same thing, so you want to buy, you want to take note, let's say you don't have to buy $77,000 of Bitcoin. All right, so even though, all right, one thing you want to take note is one Bitcoin, all right, currently in this video is worth $77,850. Okay, you don't have to buy one Bitcoin. All right, you can buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. All right, you can actually do that. You don't have to buy like a lot. You can even buy $1 of Bitcoin even if you want. Okay, so let's say you want to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. How much is that worth? Okay, so let's say I put $10. All right, so $10 of Bitcoin in Sing dollar is worth 0.00. Where's my notepad? Okay. All right, 0.000128 Bitcoin. All right, so $10 worth of Bitcoin is worth zero, so you get 0.000128 Bitcoin. All right, that's how much Bitcoin you will get. All right, it tells you over here. All right, so if you want to buy $1 of Bitcoin, can. All right, it's 0.000128. All right, you can do that too. All right, so it depends on how much you want to buy. So just take note, you only can buy how much funds you transfer in. So if you transfer $100, you only buy $100. So you can buy and sell Bitcoin with Sing dollars. You can also do the same thing for Ethereum as well. Okay, depending how much balance you have. Now I only got $1 inside, so I can't do anything inside this platform. Alright, because I don't normally use this. As I say, I only use this mainly to actually transfer money or move money. Okay, but this is a very simple tutorial to show people how to buy and sell Bitcoin or Ethereum easily. Okay, so if you successfully buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, you believe the price will go up. What should you do next? All right, the next thing you want to do is to stake them. All right, it's free. All right, so I don't, as I say, I don't have much money here. That's why you only $3. You can say, why Alvin only see $3 there? Because I don't put my money here. But I'm telling you, if you want to, I'm telling you, this is the safest place to put if you want to put. The places that I put are more dangerous but has higher interest. That's why I never put here. I'm just being transparent with you. All right, but there are many of my friends are not willing to take high risks. They want something that is safe, safe platform. All right, then you go for this one. All right, it's much safer. Okay, so so let's say you want to earn your Bitcoin. You see there's a 1.49% Bitcoin. So you click on earn. All right, you can actually deposit your Bitcoin, something like fixed deposit, something like that in the bank. Okay, so one thing good about this staking, okay, I know I'm not supposed to talk about it, but since I'm talking about it, might as well, right? So one thing good is that there is no wait, let me put here. All right, there is no lock period. All right, not like bank, you got fixed D or something like that. No, so you can withdraw or take out anytime. All right, the interest that you earn. Okay, so now it's giving 1.49% APY. So what does that mean? So you take 1.49, that's per year. You divide by 365. This is per day. All right, per day you get 0.004%. So let's say if you put, let's say $100 maybe. All right, so you get more than sorry, not like that count. Sorry, count wrong. All right, so it should be 0.0149. Okay, right, 1.49% looks like this. Okay, then you divide by 365. All right, then you times, let's say, your $100. Okay, so every day you get 0.004 Sing dollars. This is $100 lah. Okay, but take note, this amount can go up, can go down. It depends on the price of the current price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes down, this one also goes down. If Bitcoin goes up, this interest also goes up. So that's one thing good and bad about staking Bitcoin. If the price goes up, you earn more interest. If it goes down, you earn less interest. All right, so just take note of that. 1.49 actually is pretty low. But if you want something that you're scared that doesn't go up and down too much, then you go for this one. You can convert this, but this one is another video. I can't go through too much information in this video, and that's basically it. All right, how to use Gemini to actually buy and sell crypto. So if you like this video, do consider to subscribe to this channel to learn more, and also use my referral link below to actually start buying your Bitcoin and also your Ethereum. All right, as I say again, take note, this is the link. All right, by the way, please, as I say again, only invest what you can afford to lose. Do not put all your life saving in, because you can easily lose half your life saving if you put everything in, and it's not a nice feeling to have. Okay, so invest wisely, all right, and be safe. All right, and you can pray about it as well. All right, so thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.